Welcome to this episode of Easy Physics. Today, we will delve into the fascinating life of one of the most influential physicists of the 20th century, Enrico Fermi. Born on September 29, 1901, in Rome, Italy, Fermi made significant contributions to various areas of physics, including quantum mechanics, statistical mechanics, and nuclear physics. His work laid the foundation for the development of the atomic bomb and established him as one of the leading scientists of his time. Enrico Fermi's journey into the world of physics began during his teenage years when he developed a keen interest in mathematics and physics. He excelled in his studies and eventually enrolled at the University of Pisa in 1918, where he pursued a degree in physics. Under the guidance of his mentor, Luigi Puccianti, Fermi quickly demonstrated his exceptional problem-solving skills and an innate ability to grasp complex concepts. After completing his undergraduate studies, Fermi continued his research at the University of Rome, where he obtained his doctorate in 1922. During this period, he began to publish papers on a wide range of topics, including quantum theory, statistical mechanics, and atomic spectroscopy. His groundbreaking research garnered attention from the scientific community, and in 1926 he was appointed as a professor at the University of Florence. Fermi's scientific career flourished during his time at the University of Florence. He made significant contributions to the field of quantum mechanics, particularly in the area of electron theory. His work on the statistical behavior of electrons in a magnetic field, now known as the Fermi-Dirac statistics, earned him widespread recognition within the scientific community. In 1938, Fermi's life took an unexpected turn due to the rise of fascism in Italy. As a result of his Jewish wife, Laura Capon, Fermi faced increasing discrimination and persecution. Recognizing the dangers they faced, Fermi and his family made the difficult decision to leave Italy and seek refuge in the United States. Arriving in the United States in 1939, Fermi quickly found himself at the forefront of the scientific community. He joined Columbia University in New York City, where he continued his research on nuclear physics. As World War II loomed, Fermi became actively involved in the Manhattan Project, a top-secret research initiative aimed at developing an atomic bomb. Fermi's contributions to the Manhattan Project were instrumental. He played a key role in the construction and operation of the world's first nuclear reactor, known as Chicago Pile 1. On December 2, 1942, Fermi successfully achieved the first controlled, self-sustained nuclear chain reaction, marking a pivotal moment in the history of nuclear physics. Following the success of the Chicago Pile 1, Fermi continued his involvement in the Manhattan Project, contributing to the development of the atomic bomb. His expertise in nuclear fission and neutron physics proved invaluable in designing and optimizing the bomb's core. Fermi's contributions, along with those of his colleagues, culminated in the successful testing of the first atomic bomb, codenamed Trinity, in July 1945. Despite his involvement in the development of the atomic bomb, Fermi was deeply concerned about the potential destructive power of this new technology. He actively advocated for international control and peaceful use of nuclear energy after the war. His efforts led to the establishment of the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA, in 1957, which aimed to promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy and prevent the proliferation of nuclear weapons. Throughout his career, Fermi received numerous accolades for his groundbreaking work. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1938 for his discovery of new radioactive elements produced by neutron irradiation, a process he called transuranic synthesis. Additionally, he received the prestigious Enrico Fermi Award, established in his honor, recognizing outstanding contributions to the field of nuclear energy. Tragically, Enrico Fermi's life was cut short by stomach cancer. He passed away on November 28, 1954, at the age of 53. However, his legacy lives on, with his scientific achievements continuing to shape the field of physics to this day. Enrico Fermi's life serves as an inspiration to aspiring physicists, demonstrating the power of curiosity perseverance, and the pursuit of scientific knowledge. His contributions to our understanding of the fundamental laws of nature, as well as his pivotal role in the development of nuclear energy, have left an indelible mark on the scientific community and the world as a whole.